I'm going to show you step by step how to automate when someone inquires on your website and have an AI assistant respond and book an appointment so you never lose business again. Business owners must be able to respond to leads that come in on their website within 60 seconds, or I think 90% of those people go to competitors. And if you happen to get any value from this, go ahead and hit that subscribe or that like button and write some comments in. And I got something special for you at the end. So this right here is a makeup artist website that I am working with. And what happens is she would get inquiries and they would show up in her email, and sometimes she would not see them for a couple hours, a day or two. And then by the time she got to them, that person would have already worked with another makeup artist, because let's face it, when someone's looking for a makeup artist or a hairstylist or to get their nails done or anyone that's like an appointment-based business, they fill out an inquiry. And if they don't get a response back, then what do? They just go to the next person. They go to the next person. They go to the next person until someone responds. So we are going to set up an AI assistant that is going to respond to this inquiry and then book an appointment so that she does not lose this business ever again. So this is what happens. I'm going to fill out my name. I'm going to fill out my last name. I'm going to fill out my email address. I'm going to fill out my phone number. And then what type of event is it? It's a wedding. How many faces are they going to be working? They're going to be working with 5. What is the date of the wedding? And then I would like to look natural. And then they're going to hit consent, and then they're going to hit submit. Now, here's the coolest thing. It says, thank you for taking the time to complete this form. Now, within 5 seconds, they are going to get a text message that says, hey, Austin, I saw that you just inquired about my services on my site. When is the best time for you to give me a call? And the cool thing is you can see this conversation happening on the back end. It says, hey, Austin, I saw that you just inquired about my services on my site. When is the best time for me to give you a call? And a lot of times, people that are looking for a makeup artist, they really just want pricing. They don't really want to hop on a call. So I'm going to text back and say, I was really just hoping to get pricing. Can you send that over? And then what you're going to see is it pops up. I was really just hoping to get pricing. Can you send that over? And then AI is going to take over. And I've actually prompted and taught AI how to overcome that objection because she has a Black Friday special coming. So AI is going to say, I'd love to provide you with the most accurate pricing, especially with our Black Friday specials coming up. A quick phone call would be the best way to discuss all the details. What time works best for you to chat? And then I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to text back and say, I do have some time this evening or tomorrow morning, which works better for you? And so you see the message pop up right there. I do have some time this evening or tomorrow morning. Which one works better for you? Then the AI assistant's going to jump in, and based on the availabilities that are attached to the calendar of the makeup artist, it's going to say, this evening works great for me. How about we set up a call around 8? If that doesn't work, tomorrow morning I'm also open. Just let me know what best fits for you. And I'm going to say 8 is a little late. How about 10 a.m. tomorrow morning? And then again, you'll see the message pop up. 8 is a little late. How about 10 a.m. tomorrow morning? Then the assistant says, tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. sounds perfect. I'll call you then. Looking forward to speaking with you. Excellent. Thank you. Now, here is the coolest part. As this conversation is happening, the makeup artist is also getting a text message in real time. Okay, first off, she gets a text message instantly that says, you just got a new website inquiry. Austin Mariglia, phone number, email address, the type, wedding. It's on the 25th. How many faces? Additional details. Would like the natural look. And Austin spoke with the AI assistant, and the AI assistant said the best time to call is this evening or tomorrow morning. But because she actually confirmed a time and said tomorrow morning, the makeup artist is going to get a message that says Austin spoke with AI assistant and said the best time to call is tomorrow at 10 a.m. in the morning. So now the makeup artist knows that 10 a.m. tomorrow morning, she's got a call scheduled with Austin to get this all, to figure out if it makes sense to work with her. Now, How to get this all set up is very simple. Okay, you do need a high level account and you do need a close bot account. So, a close bot account is how the AI automation is all set up. And what's really cool is I go here to modify bot and I make sure that I am on the makeup artist spot. And the cool thing is I have some main prompts that the AI bot is going to be caring and friendly, why this conversation is happening, someone inquired on the website, a little bit of basic business information, and then how to respond. And then we have the objective set up, which is basically finding out when the best time to call is and then confirming that time and then updating the fields so that the makeup artist is notified when this call is supposed to happen. And the coolest thing is integration is super, super simple. All I have to do is have a closed bot account and a high level account. And then I click add new, I connect high level to that. I set up a very simple automation inside of high level. It's very simple. Basically, a form is filled, it adds a tag, it sends a notification that, hey, someone inquired, and then it sends that first text message. Then, when the person responds, this very simple workflow here actually triggers and activates the bot. The customer replies to the SMS inquiry, and then it sends the webhook to CloseBot, which then handles the entire rest of the conversation. Super simple, super easy. It literally takes you a couple minutes to set this up. Now, this is step by step how to have a AI assistant automate whenever someone inquires on your website so that they don't just go to the next person. Because if someone were to come and fill all this information out and they didn't hear anything for 2-3 days, they're gonna find another makeup artist. They're planning a wedding, they're in a hurry, they want to know quickly like what the pricing is, how can I get this figured out, can I get on a phone call tonight? They want to talk to this person. And if an AI assistant is able to reach out to the person and say, hey, I saw that you inquired, hey, look, I was really looking to get pricing. Yeah, but the best thing because of the Black Friday deals would be to get on the call. And then it actually schedules a phone call with them. This person is 90% more likely to do business with this makeup artist simply because it looks like she's on top of her game and she's actually responding super, super fast. And like I said, it takes a couple minutes to get this all set up. If you guys want to learn how to set up your very own AI assistant, I do have a step by step. It takes 2 minutes, a step by step SOP, standard operating procedure, that shows you step by step how to get this connected between Go High Level and CloseBot. And the cool thing is, if you use my affiliate link, I have a whole bunch of additional trainings on how you can actually get things set up in detail. You could set up multiple bots. There's actually a community where I have some Facebook leads courses. I have my CloseBot course. And you can actually get all of this absolutely for free if you just use my affiliate link to sign up. I have, like I said, I have all of this training that you can have, and we can get your AI assistant up and running. I give a deep dive into AI assistant setup, how to set up the prompts and the objectives, how to do missed call text back, how to do database reactivation, reputation management, social media assistance. But if you just want to see this tutorial, the step-by-step 2 minutes, how to get this set up super fast, super easy, I have this for you and I will send it over. The link is in the comments. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you guys for checking this out, and I look forward to seeing you in future trainings. And that is step-by-step how to automate when someone inquires on your website and have an AI assistant respond and book an appointment so you never lose business again. Like I said, if you guys get value from that, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And if you want the SOP on how to set this up in 2 minutes for yourself, go ahead and click the link in the description. And I'm giving this away absolutely free. And I have a whole bunch of trainings, everything for you for free if you want it. You guys have a great rest of your day, and I look forward to seeing you in future trainings.